Nkaheza's attempts to land safely have so far all failed. During a test flight 2 years ago, the aircraft successfully took off. But when Nkaheza tried to land, this is what happened. In hospital.
So kukuna ngumeni mboreka amazina ni Nkaheza Joseph International from Mwizi technologist ningo mnyeto oyihire yo kureba ngo twabasa kutwara mani mingi ombya technology omuyanga yiteri ya Uganda. So enyonyeji niyo mwabeni mureba ne flyinga no bura yabe neguruka kubi konkani nyine abeni njivuga kandi yeji na hati nchigiro ndiyo ni nkora paka mbase kwangura kandi tukareba inyonyigire yamba abanya Uganda most riko nabenshi paningire ngo first priority baba bahinji bitwa Western region. Yeah, so even no kuyabene itambura ejinentebe yayo ni murebe ko kozirwe ejentebe 85% yera nentebe yiti yabira kuju yo tari muzungu no lya abo kubemba boneze yitu na n'ibindi bimu kureba hano then ekintu cyabene kigiyamba ahiguru okurangu ya rotating aje yacyusa umutwe ekutambuza beni zone zimu kurebezi abo kuba ezuza omunwa hakutaha wings zayo mbwenu ekatandika ekatambura tukugira netambura naho kwano yambisa wanda kushara makuna neba netani njiraha mbwenu kurangu yakore twite nini ekikwenda akanto akanika kuri munonga mbwenu ezinikabo nezina nabagambire kutoni nunje munonge takora munjura kandi n'umuyaga ni kugitina ne yamani amere gukurashinga emirundi ebiri kuna afune chance na ikirumwe umuntu w'abantu Brian White yabasa kunyambaho yampereza aluminium eje mu kureba hata yungambire nyonyeji umukubanze kandi yeremera kilograms 3 konkati nekora 45. Mbwenu aho naho nyine wo kutina nibaza kuja kubura mu iguru ninge garukeje abo kuba eshirinke yaho mukiro munonga onkani za kubanza testingiraho ekintu nje namazire kufuna iraye naho naza kuteka umubiri turebe tanje kitahinduro cyangu then helicopter neba netambura wings ibiri eriye ya iguru main rotor na negitoro temu kurebeje nyuma imitambure yayo neji kandi amani nebanegiho misho okurangu yambe nyonyi okufuna control kandi kakuru munonga aka amboye no crash yabandize akanikaro kizibu kunije ninza kishika hansi kabani ko kakwata umwitaka ka stopping eketa kibasa kije yamba mbwenu ndyo bice bikushobora nyonyeji ebandize guruka mu Africa yona kandi ekorirwaho mu Africa yitu mwebare munonga.
Yes, we arrive kandi turi Africa ningashe tugi Nkore media so we arrive kandi twabaretera umushijanyishija wabakorire enyonyi yo kubanza mu East Africa yona ngara n'abakenya bayiza wenu bajangu ne yabo ojo munyakenya ninga bakandi bibaidi
bakabanza baje bo kuna amazina n'abatayayisa n'abayisa bagenda bikirize
ngwenyo nyine yabo
niza kubijuka kandi nk'abanyamakuru bashatu ababeni bagezaho kwibenyonyi ya Uganda
bakajeterera ya Kenya zari yaserenka kireba nkanta kumango kakireba ni
ya twababuza bishani byenyonyi byababuja twababuza hibagina heri nangwe cweka kimwe cya rugiranye nyinyi twatambura na Nairobi yona nyinyi twajonda yabura yes twabatangirira Nkore media kandogwe Nkaheza Joseph umushijanyishija kiuranko batingu mwecho tegereze kuyama umushijanyishija kanze side kandi abase kongera kuchorera Nkaheza enyonyojo kajikora mwaka ki enyonyeji yamara imyaka mirindwa iyo myaka yari umustinka mushanju kunka abanyaganda batangiye kugireba ahwire imyaka 5 hati
5 years
kunka kemaze rugiri rwaye buringo ko nyuma ningezaho
so ukajikorera kabatanaji paka kwisha kumi kunka ebejo makwiha yakutera hasese tugwe kimwe bamara kureba ha screen kuyaya kutera hasi ebe gyomani gyo bumwe biri yani ngo hindiro mu steel
apana mpindure hwati mwene kuyantira ansa ashembireyo nabasa kushira nafuna umugisha twatayisa Brian White wabase kunyambaho akampereze byome ebi byamazero $5,000 ze sente hati ebinkozise shaheje
ebyo kozise shaheje no ndagaruka kuje kurusajari
akireka yoni kace munonga abo kwa nimburaho glasses izo garuka kushembaje then na neji koto neyibampire etakura umuyaga rero nkagaruka nkagitestinga kungana nitegeteka ngo mundu kuneza kuba neza gukora tina kutestinga
hati no kuvuga aho kuba test ibiri zona zihuye
yes no kuvuga kandi neza kubanza kukozesibwa abahingi bitu ba Western region omukuyamba omucha aerial spraying twamara kufuna misiri yitu karugaweje abahingi bagaruka nkamani naco nza cyayambi hanga yitu
so ejini cotton ubwo mwenda kantaka gurebaga
impanka nkabituruturu muri nibareta babishembere nk'ibintu mbwenu bakabashembere nk'ibintu Brian White yariseka cika kugira ngo bitakayatika
so ni uko wabitungire
nabyongera mu bwenjo bwanje kukuza
so first round na second round tibirabire successful kurujo kwayo notekate
bikabera kimwe bibi
konka tristo kavuga kandi waguruka
naguma improving abo kuba nyo mukureba tinkafunaga na chance kwata ahanyonyi ninga kutorotore cyo mace nyonyi
so watungire chance bakakutwara nko mwishomero no banu basako
nico kinabe ni nshaba niyo nangwa nkabani manyango bundi obutawe twine technology minister kurwo mwanya gwitu kanye n'amasiko
munoza kurabo
teka munaza kunde bajubanta kafire uko mushaka hunama na ikakwenda kufa
miliyoni eje motoka ya empogo basingire Elioda ngareba eri munka ati yawe
motoka irimo bwenje bwinje ejo ntitwajombe
kare motoka ejya higuru nayibuza
kajombekera katwe motoka TX to najihindura nyona abanyani banje bunashinje Kampala twatwinuka gugubi tayombeke motoka ejo yamuyambire ku kwate bitekateko y'abanyashema kandi akabaraganisa okubatera ebyo mu gukora motoka nkezo akuraganisa imyeto uko kuza kujifunira imirimo kuka kurugobwe na hati
tiyabasa kwikiriza kintu cyo
tine motoka yagara cyekorwa abo kuba enkanyo wabirebembere timi y'abantu bakora kubaribe nabo kuyambwa nabandi cyabamara amasiko
so enyonyeji sterling rinkai asmani no basa kwata kamera kandi ije no yereka abantu physical parts buri kimwe kigwe kinda kindi
ati sterling yenyonyi
byona bibikibwe to kwenda ngo bagibe
abo kuba
so system yayo na engine za side
nkabanza kufuniza ubuco kubanza na buri umuntu akubasa kumpereza umwanya go gukoreramo ni birara heru tingine street
so mwene hati no yetagati ristofune n'umwanya
nintegana
kubendeje nkeje baji babakibe kinta cyo korire nyaka no babagura billions
mazireho in fact nyonyi nayo nabirendi bakaba batakumanya ndi mu taxi ndiyo ninza side za ntunga moko agira umuntu wagira ateje yo kumusigazi atabana banje bakaba benda kumara abwe nyonyejo atkonka nkijana atinkijana yecho manachi batwarira ati na hati twagaga kuvuze nyonyi
atubona bakaterera bazare
bwenu abantu babimazireho bakubitwara nko mugenzi kuza koreka amakagabo inyonyi ya Uganda kuyarete cyoma so
bakubitwara no bafuri
ndiyo mu mbere zitabonire abo butagira aho kubika bimwe byanje
so abantu abakureba babase kugira ko bayamba
abantu bakundeba
na mununga badyo mu innovation
bagira ko bayamba mununga twase kufuna umwanya go gukoraho
by the way twine no musigazi ogo musigazi mwine Nkaheza rinda ke nawe na marketing amunonge bintu je mpira marketing kintu cha Uganda witu n'abazungu batinde
ogwirare tureba na mpora
no musayansa wenyine
no musayansa mani nambwenu benisha wangu anyicirize testera agaruka wabinu we agikora nanyimbaza nyemeransi nyetegerezeje hati ngo tukija gukora jinye kaguruka je ariko ngamona ati ko kuba ni wakora kandi ko muvugi to kuja kureba inshubi
nakweteje
so promoter irare amurundugu irane wachikwate
nabagira ko yasimbure nyenyeje Yes, 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 yes. How are you, Uganda? How are you, Africa? How are you, the world? So I'm DM Swaganet Promoter, the #1 promoter and marketing manager here at Super Promotions. So today we brought you Nkaheza Joseph, the man who made the helicopter. Some people judged him wrongly that this helicopter you're doing will kill you one day. But the man has not lost focus, and he's still doing, and he hope for the best. So he's set for the third flight soon, a third testing flight. So apart from this helicopter, he have managed to make a car, and a car he used it even in presidential campaigns, and it was moving in front of presidential candidate President Museveni, His Excellence. So the man is contributing much on the technological system of Uganda. So we hope for the best. Thanks for watching. Yeah, wherever you're watching from, you can support this program, or you can support this man to innovate more and more. He has done a lot of things, and we are going to bring you his motorcycle, which uses water to cook steam, and so he drive a motorcycle on water. The motorcycles that he made is moving on water. So he have told us that he dropped this idea from the man who was called, the man named Kobwemi, the one who first innovated an aeroplane. I was staying in Karamdani, also in Guampara, but unfortunately he failed to fly. So this man made the first aeroplane to fly. So it's a great innovation, and we hope Uganda government at least supports this man to do some more innovation. He's crying that they have failed to give him a number plate. URI has failed to issuerize a number plate to him for his car, so that he can at least start selling some cars to some people around him. Thanks for watching Nkore Media TV. Thank you very much. Yes, Uganda, we bari kureba program ekiwaba nokimanya niyo sha just chillinga tukwasaga DM Swaganet Promoter, the #1
kulukuta selector kulukuta ningale kale nina mani noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani nina mani noza kukakasa ngo nina mani